It's out of the box, brand new. 7-horse small engine. That's what we got. Xtremepower. Manual, and that's how it comes. Got this guy here. Gonna get it out, get some oil in it. And we're gonna replace the 5-horse with this little bit bigger 7-horse 40-year-old Tecumseh on my Super Tomahawk wood chipper. It's about 40 years old and it's seen better days, but she finally locked up. She's done, so we're gonna put this new one on and see how it runs. We'll see what it does on the wood chipper. Oh, got it all mounted. Give me a little fit. The oil. This has oil fill on both sides. And on the other side I have my clutch lever. So we had to cut a section out of it there, out of the mount, to get it to fit snug against there. But it's on, switch is on, fuel's on, that's on choke. This will be the first time